Number one, Mr. Mark O'Neill. To match the stronger Vivian Time.
Can I have your attention?
Our next, the strongest Vivian Time.
She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet cherry cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me on the head and soft.
Vivian Time. Our next one is ready, number 3. Mr. Lab King.
I love your curves.
is John Mystery with Double Key. So small, Twitter, next. Our comedy. Number 6, let's proceed to our next candidate. The other candidate number 7, Mr.
basketball. Ano ba? Nakakasala ka? Nakakasala ako.
Sa natin candidates, sanay!
Kaya wala number 5.
Akilaan nyo naman, yung pag-ibabingin na naupoy, kumain na naray para magparis yung aton. Okay, candidates, when I said turn your right, turn to your right. Okay ba yun? Understand ba? Okay, wait a moment muna. Okay, in 1, 2, 3, give me your best pose. Okay, 1, 2, 3, pose. Ayan! Turn to your right. Turn is your right. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Give me your best pose. Then turn to your right. Turn to your right. Ayan. Give me your best pose in 1, 2, 3. Stop. Turn to your right. Yeah. In 1, 2, 3. Give me your best pose.
Man, siguro ba yun
1, 2, 3.
May kunyat-yat yan ang buhay.
Okay, turn to your right. Ayan. Pakaupa na yung
Number 5 pa lang siguro. May kunyat-yat yan ang buhay. Ano ba yan?
And now, the big question. Who's gonna hold the minor prizes? Or who's gonna win the crown?
Sabi na ng word ka. Makaluluwi, wala pa per day pa.
Sino ba ang mananalo dito?
Masakit pa yan ni Kapitan.
I-share ko rin yung bag! Kaya rin yung bag! Nagrado! Number 5, number 7. Ano yung bag? Number 4, number 5, my number 1, my number 3 also. How about kanina side? Hindi yung bag. Big number 7, number 1, number 5, number 2, number 3. How about Dilian Gawas? Pinuriyan ka rin kita na ng tao na. Ayaw, ikaw. Hindi na kisama. Ayan.
Ano may si 80? Hirap. Number
Yeah, ready na ba, boys? Boys, ready na? Ready na for your preliminary question and answer? Okay, everyone, I would like to request audience. So please, na mag-answer ang ating candidate, please have a respect, give a silent tera. Kung maiya man bumaton or nagutot-utot, ayaw pag-shout, ayaw pag-laugh, patapusan era po. Okay na ba yan, kaibahan? Ayan. Para mapit ka sa bato ng ating mga candidates. I know, pinatukol ba na lang, pero nag-enjoy lagi hapon. Buhay pa ba, kaibahan? Ayan.
Ano nga, buhi pa ba? Kanya ka lang, buhi pa ba?
Okay. Now let's begin to the question and answer, preliminary question and answer. Starting with our candidate number 1. Step forward. Okay. How are you? Are you good?
Everything's good and blessed that I'm part of the event of Barangay Kaibahan.
Yeah, thank you. May nasasabi dyan, single ka pa ba?
Yes, I am.
Alright, girl, single daw siya.
Singa.
Okay, may I call on our barangay secretary? So, para kumuha yung question. Ayan.
Question na uno.
The question is, do you think there is a double standard for physical appearances between man and woman? Again, do you think there is a double standard for physical appearances between man and woman?
Thank you so much for that questions. The questions about the standards of equality between man and woman. And I believe in this world, it's not all about the educational attainment. It's not all about the sex, gender, or race. It is all about the R-E-S-P-E-C, the word respect. Because in this world, you are just nothing. We have to respect because we are not the ones who's going to judge at the end, but rather, God will judge us at the end. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Next, we have candidate number 2. I will repeat the question twice, okay? As an advocate for teenagers, how can you help the campaign against HIV/AIDS? Again, as advocate for teenagers, how can you help the campaign against HIV/AIDS?
There are a lot of ways to help to campaign against HIV/AIDS. But first of all, I would like to inform everyone that reading a lot about this certain matter is very much important because we will be able to know how we are going to prevent such virus to spread. And at the same time, our knowledge of the said virus will also widen our horizon. And also, it's not just about fighting the stigma. It's all about protecting ourselves, protecting our loved ones. Because after all, if we are well educated of the subject matter and we encourage students to do more, read more, and learn more, then I think that we would be, in the near future, would be successful against the fight for the stigma, the HIV/AIDS. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Next, we will go on our candidate number 3.
Wala daw support. Ayaw. Kaya ka nagyakan.
Okay, your question is, if you win tonight, how can you better promote volunteerism in our country? Again, if you win tonight, how can you better promote volunteerism in our country?
Volunteerism.
Hello, good evening everyone. If I will win tonight, I would like to promote volunteerism by encouraging everybody to speak up, because our voice matters. We may not know it, but our voice can create a huge impact, can create a huge difference. And I would like to tap everyone to use that, because we are actually the hope of our country. And we can make a huge difference if we open up ourselves and educate ourselves to what is happening and of course participate. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Next, we have candidate number 4. Okay, candidate number 4, how are you feeling right now? Okay, candidate number 4, now you can take your question.
Kakaiban. Joy Omang. Mana? Omang Joy.
Okay, I will repeat your question twice.
Ang buti pa ako kaya
Your question is, name something you've learned and did for the first time during the pandemic which you consider the most life-changing of all. Again, your question is, name something you've learned and did for the first time during the pandemic which you consider the most life-changing of all.
Life-changing. When you say life-changing,
Ang natutunan ko po during pandemic ay ang pagsama-sama, magtulong-tulong. Dahil dito ko nakikita kung paano ang ating pagkakaisa. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, candidate number 4. Next, we will call our next candidate number 5. Okay, candidate number 5, the question that you pick is, I will repeat your question twice. Can a biologically male be allowed to compete in a physical sport against women? And why? Again, can a biologically male be allowed to compete in a physical sport against women, and why?
Thank you for beautiful questions.
wow!
Can I have tissue please?
What?
Tissue please.
Kaya, ano?
Okay, thank you so much, candidate number 5. Next, we have candidate number 6.
Kaya maglalaki ay kumpit ang sport na babae. Yeah, umaron din yung lumakas. Malaking bukol ba talaga niya dahil?
The question is, do you think that it is acceptable for a title holder to voice their political opinion and why? Again, do you think it is acceptable for a title holder to voice their political opinion and why?
Thank you. Before I ask, I would like to say, please silent because the online is not acceptable adjustment for the answer the question because this is the crucial moment of the pageant. Okay, good evening, the panel judge, good evening, Kap. From my opinion, because we live in a democratic country, we have a privilege of thoughts. We have an opinion what's the matter to say because Article 1, Section 11, we have a right what they say. say or what the movement, the political and the higher, this is negative or positive. As long as we can see the culture of the torch in the political dynasty. The most important thing they help, they give the needs of the people who suffer the poverty and the calamities. That will be all. Thank you and good evening.
Ano daw?
Thank you so much.
Maraming matpakihan na yaman na bato.
We have candidate number 7.
Side view pa maguti. Side view pa, side view pa!
What can be your greatest contribution to the community? Again, what can be your greatest contribution to the community?
Thank you. Para sa akin, ang pagsagot ay hindi binabase sa kung anong ligwayan gagamitin. And kung di ang sagot, kung paano mo sagutin at bigyan ng o makukunin ng aral. For me is
Ekes.
I do believe our contribution is passion and discipline. Skill combined with discipline that would help values within the self. And the passion to do the things that I love and do it the best that I can. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7. Next, we have candidate number 8. Again, audience, please remain silent when the candidate is answering. I will repeat your question. What would you say to the youth watching tonight who are currently experiencing sexual or physical abuse? Again, what would you say to the youth watching tonight who are currently experiencing sexual or physical abuse?